Hi everyone, I thought I'd make a dessert for Valentine's, and I'm going to make chocolate, strawberry, and cream cheese dump cake. And of course, you don't have to make this for Valentine's, you can make it at any time you want. I have a 8x8 baking dish, and I sprayed the sides and the bottoms with nonstick cooking spray. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and in the bottom I've spread evenly 1 can, 21 ounces, of strawberry pie filling and topping. In a bowl, I added 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese that was softened to room temperature, and I went ahead and I mixed it up just a little bit. And then I've added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm now adding half a cup of granulated sugar. And I'm using a stand mixer for this, but you could use a hand mixer if you wanted to. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mix this up on medium speed until it's nice and smooth. I put dollops of the cream cheese mixture on top of the strawberry, and I'm not going to spread it out because it's just going to pull the strawberries up if I try to do that. And as it bakes, it will melt into each other a little bit. I have a box of chocolate cake mix. Mine is 13.25 ounces. It can be a little bit more. It doesn't have to be precise on the amount. And I sprinkled half of the bag of the cake mix over the top of the cream cheese mixture evenly. I tried to get it evenly. I have half a cup of melted unsalted butter, and I'm going to pour this all over the top. So I'm going to bake this for 40 to 45 minutes now, and the top is golden and bubbly. Cool 30 minutes before serving. If you want to eat this more solid, you can fridge after the pan is cold. Thank you guys for watching.